Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Craft Closet Organization. Get ready to embark on a journey of creativity, order and inspiration as we dive deep into the world of Craft Closet Organization. Our channel is dedicated to helping you transform your cluttered closets into beautifully organized spaces that spark joy and ignite your creative passions. Join us as we share expert tips, dive projects, and innovative storage solutions that will revolutionize the way you approach crafting. Whether you are a seasoned dye enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of crafting, our videos will guide you step by step through the process of decluttering, categorizing, and arranging your supplies. Explore our tutorials on creating functional storage systems, clever repurposing ideas, and stunning decor options that only maximize space but also infuse your craft closet with your unique style. We believe that an organized craft closet is the gateway to the endless artistic possibilities, and we are here to help you unlock the potential. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and become a part of vibrant community of fellow craft enthusiasts. Thanks